Students, now open your textbook, page number 88, exercise 2.4. In previous class, we have studied addition with regrouping. Now, we are going to learn story problems. Okay? Story problems. See here. Sunil traveled 1340 km in January. 1850 km in February and 1960 km in March. How many kilometers did he travel in all in the 3 months? Okay, this is about story problems. Okay, we have to solve this story problems. Okay, now solutions here. We add kilometers traveled by Sunil. In this story problem, what they have asked, how many kilometers did he travel in all? Means Sunil is a person who traveled in a different months. In January, he traveled 1340, in February 1850 and in March 1960. Now they have asked, how many kilometers did he travel in all? In all means in all the 3 months, how many kilometers did he travel? They ask. Okay. Now solution for this. Kilometer traveled in January 1340. This is statements. This is known as statements. Okay. These three are called addends. These three are called addends. Okay. Now, kilometer traveled in February. Kilometer traveled in February is 1850. Kilometers traveled in March 1960. Okay. Now, we have to add these three numbers. Now, see here. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Write carry here and 5 in tens column. Now, count in 100 columns. 17 plus 3, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 2 carry here, carry 2 here and write 1 here. 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 5. Okay. Behind that you have to write kilometer traveled by Sunil in all. Okay. The conclusion we should write like this. Okay. Sunil traveled 5150 kilometer in all the 3 months. This is known as conclusion. These are called as statements. Okay. Now, they have given some story problems. You have to solve in your classwork. Okay. Now open your classwork. Write down the question here and first solution. See, I will send this by WhatsApp. Now you just concentrate on the explanation now. Okay. Meena traveled 1349 kilometer and Anand traveled 1132 kilometer. Here 2 boys are there. They have traveled some distance, some kilometers. Now they have asked how many kilometers did they travel in all. They are asking how many kilometers did they travel both. Means we have to add these two numbers by writing statement here. Now see here, Meena traveled how much kilometer? 1349. Anand traveled in front of this 1132. See students, by writing while writing these number, you should take care of one number should be come each below. Okay. See here, in one's column One's number should be written like this in tens column. Write like this, hundreds column and thousand column. Write one below the other. Okay, students. Now, Meena travelled 1349. Anand travelled 1132. What we have to do? See here. How many kilometers did they travel in all? In all means addition. So put the addition sign here. Add these two numbers. 9 plus 2, 11. So give the carry 1 here and write 1 in one's column. Okay. 4 plus 4, 8. 3 plus 1, 4. 1 plus 1, 2. So behind this number, travel in all. Okay. Last conclusion. Therefore, this is read as therefore. Therefore, both travelled. Both means Meena and Anand. Both travelled 2841 kilometers in all. Okay. Now, second problem. See here, Minty and Teeny filled petrol in their cars. These two guys filled the petrol in their cars. Minty paid rupees 1345 and Teeny paid 1235 for the petrol. This much amount they paid for petrol. How many rupees did they pay in all? Again, in all means we have to add. Okay. So see here. Write statement. Minty paid. Okay. Minty paid 1345. 1345. Teeny paid 1235. We have to add. Okay. See, while writing these two numbers, you just concentrate. You should write one below the other. Okay. 5 plus 5, 10. Give the carry 1 here. Write 0 here. Okay. 4 plus 4, 8. 3 plus 2, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. Behind this, you should write total payment. Total payment means amount paid by both friends. Okay. Last conclusion. Therefore. It is known as therefore. Therefore, both paid rupees 2580 for their cars. Okay. Now, third one. A car parking lot had 2475 red cars. In a car parking area, lot means area. In a car parking area had 2475 red cars and 1385 other colored cars. How many cars did it have in all? Means they are asking how many cars standing in a parking area. Okay. Now, statement. Numbers of red cars. Numbers of red cars is 2475. Number of other colored cars 1385. Now add these numbers. Put the plus sign here. 5 plus 5, 10. Give the carry 1 and write 0 here. 8 plus 8, 16. Give the carry 1 here. Write 6 here. 4 plus 4, 8. 2 plus 1, 3. Behind that, total number of cars or total cars. Okay. Conclusion should be, therefore, a car parking lot had 3860 cars in all. Okay, students. Now, next one. Mrs. Amola spends rupees 5,967 on travel expenses and rupees 3,165 on other expenses. What is the total expenditure? So write the statement. Travel expenses 5,967. Other expenses 3,165. Add these two numbers. 7 plus 5 12. Give the carry 1 here, write 2 here. 6 plus 6 plus 1 13. Give the carry and write 3 here. 9 plus 2 11. Give the carry 1. 5 plus 1 6 plus 3 9. Behind that you should write total expenses. Okay. Last conclusion. Therefore, Mrs. Amola's total expenditure is rupees 9,132. Okay. Now see here, students. In quick drill, Mr. Zarir collected fruits from his orchard and sent to the wholesale market in Mumbai. Orchid means what? Mr. Zarir collected fruits from his orchard. Orchid means garden. Okay. Where these fruits are grown. Okay. Mr. Zarir collected fruits from his orchard and sent to the wholesale market in Mumbai. Read the data given below. Solve in your notebook to find the answer to each question. Now see here. Number of apples 2,324. Number of pineapples 1,486. Mango 5,938. Peach 6,521. Pears 1,230. Okay. Now see here. A. How many apples and pineapples? See here. Apples and pineapples did he collect in all? Means which fruits we have to add? Apple and pineapple. Like this you should write the solution here. Okay. Number of apples 2,324. Number of pineapples 1,486. Now add these two numbers. 6 plus 4 10. Carry 1 here 0. 8 plus 3 11. Give the carry 1 and write 1 here. 4 plus 4 8. 2 plus 1 3. Okay. Now second question. How many mangoes and pears? How many mangoes and pears did he collect in all? Now number of mangoes. How many mangoes are there? 5,938. Number of pears 1,230. Add these two numbers. 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 3 6. 9 plus 2 11. So write the carry here 1 here. 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7. Okay. Now see here C1. How many peaches and pineapples were sent to the market? So you have to write number of peaches. Okay, number of peaches. How many peaches are there? 6,521. Number of pineapples 1,486. Put the plus sign here and add these two numbers. 6 plus 1 7. 8 plus 2 10. Give the carry 1 here 2 here. 6 plus 4, 10. Give the carry 1 here, write 0 here. 6 plus 2, 8. Last one. What is the total of peaches, pears and pineapples? In this time they have given 3 fruits. Okay. Number of peaches 6521.1230. Number of pineapples 1486. Put the plus sign here. Add 3 numbers. 6 plus 1, 7. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Give the carry 1 here. 3 here. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Give the carry 1 here and write 2 here. 6 plus 3, 9. Okay. Total number of these fruits are 9237. Okay, students. Hope you are all understood. And one more time I am telling, you should write this in your classwork. Okay. Now, exercise 2.5. Exercise 2.5. Addition forming word problems. Forming means we have to create our own story and we have to solve the problems. Okay. Now see here. Frame a simple word problem means we have to create our own word problem. 3420, 2318. Using these two numbers, we have to create our own word problems or story. Okay. Now see here. Remember, total, altogether, in all and together indicate addition. Okay. So, frame a simple addition word problem for the following and then solve. So, I am writing here only word problems. You should add and write the answer. Okay. This also you should write in your classwork. Exercise 2.5. Mention today's date and write in your classwork. Now see here. 2015, 1204. By using these two numbers, we have to create our own story problems. Okay. In a bird sanctuary. Bird sanctuary means it's a place where birds protected being hunted. Like it's a bird's home, like that. Okay, students. Now, in a bird sanctuary means a place where birds protected being hunted. Okay. There are 2015 parrots and 1204 lovebirds. Find the total number of birds. This is formation of story. Okay. In a bird sanctuary, there are 2015 parrots and 1204 lovebirds. Find the total number of birds. We should find the total number of birds. Okay. Your answer should be like this. Total number of birds is equal to number of parrots. See the example here. According to this pattern, you should write the solution in your classwork notebook. Okay, students. No need to write the solution here. You should write only word problem here. Okay. Use pencil for writing. Next. 1230 plus 4010. By using these two numbers, we should form our own story problem. Now see here. In a garden, there are 1230 apple trees and 4010 pineapple trees. How many trees are there altogether? Altogether means addition. Now see. 1040, 2030. A shopkeeper sold 1040 mangoes and 2030 peaches. How many fruits did shopkeeper sold in all? Try to use these words in your word problem. Okay, students? Now last one. Last one. 5,000 and 2,000. A car parking lot had 5,000 bikes and 2,000 bicycles. Find the total number of vehicles. Okay? Find the total number of vehicles. This is about formation of word problem. You should write this in your classwork. Okay, students? Hope you are all understood. Thank you.